Welcome back. Dhactole village in Vasco is still crying for help even after 9 months. Nafta outbreak at Dhactole ruined lives of many and left the village in hue and cry. Villagers are now agitated. They claim that the promises by the authorities are still not fulfilled. They are living a hard life. Special report by Surendra Madkaikar.
Dhactole village in Vasco. 20th August was a black day in life of villagers. A sudden Nafta outbreak changed the life of people overnight. Some lost their loved ones, some lost their source of bread and butter, and some lost their property and belongings. Many people, politicos, came and assured many things, but nothing has been fulfilled till date. Have a look. Wells are lying contaminated. Burnt trees are still standing high. Broken houses are still awaiting repairs. Locals claim that authorities have failed to fulfill their promises.
आता 9 महिने झाले आहेत हांगा गेल्या 4-5 महिन्यांक तर हांगा कोण वळोन सुद्दां पळोवंक ना जुवारीचो एक मनीस हांगा येना पळोवपाक हांगा झाडां बिडां तुमी कशी जालें पळयला तुमी एक मनीस भुरगो आमचो वाड्यावेलो अजून बॉम्बे आसा तेकाय सारकें ट्रिटमेंट जायना आनी कोण पळोवपाकूय वचना जुवारीचे पयलीं वयताले तशें
कोण वासपुशकच येयना आमकां आमचे कसलोच घेवन भोर घेयना आमचो
मागणी कितें आहा तुमची
आमकां तेणी येवन तेणे आमचे निवळ करून दिवची न्हू सरकारान नाल्यार कोणें एक जुवारीन नाल्यार आमकां कोणें पूण हे मदत करची आमकां आमची भुरगीं बाळां हांगसर भोंवनाका घुंवनाका जाणटी धांवत भुरग्यांच्यान धांव येता झाडपेड पडल्यार तेणी चौकशी घेवंक जाय न्हू आमची
Sarita Borkar has lost her only source of income.
आमचे हितून 14 माड आसल्या आनी घराचे वयसून हे पडून सगळे घराचे पत्रे पेटा जाल्यार घराक चीर पडलेले आसा आनी म्हाजो घोव काय कामधंद्याक ना तर हे माडाचेर आमचे 14 माडाचेर आमचो घराचो खर्च चलतलो आनी भुरग्यांचें शिक्षण चलतलें पण आतां ते सगळे आमचे बंद जाल्लेले आसा तर तेंचे नियम पळोवनी करपाचे आनी तो योग्य तो निर्णय घेवपाचो इतलोच आमी तेंचे कडेन जुवारी कडेन आनी सरकारा कडेन मागता.
Villagers of Dhactole are still awaiting justice. When will they get it? 9 months passed. The government has changed. How many more months will they wait? A reporter from Dhactole, Surendra Madkaikar.
Vidya Vikas Academy students held an exhibition as a part of their vocational training. They displayed various items like paper bags, tablecloths, lamps and other varied items. These students are specially trained as per their interests by their teachers. Have a look.
Okay, the work you've seen displayed over there is work done by our children in the resource room as part of their vocational training. Several of these children have different problems which we work with during the course of the year. We have the resource room and follow the integrated inclusive education pattern where the children are sometimes in class for activities like art, music, games, sports, and at other times they're in the resource room where the teachers train them specially. And this vocational training is really very effective in working with children like this.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
New Market Association of Margaon has forwarded their demands to the newly elected chairperson and vice chairperson of Margaon municipality. The newly formed association focuses to solve various issues in the market. Chairperson Arthur De Silva and vice chairperson Pratima Coutinho have assured full support to the association.
Shopkeepers of Madgaon met the newly elected chairperson Arthur De Silva and vice chairperson Pratima Coutinho. Shopkeepers met them with their pending demands. Arthur and Pratima has assured full support to the association.
मेन रोडार संडास आसतो मार्केटान लायटी सारक्यो ना थोडे कडेन टायल्स घातल्यात थोडे कडेन घातलेले ना ह्यो सुदारणा करच्यो फुटपाथाच्यो आनी आमचेच लोक काही भायर चड वेपार लायतात तेवूय सारके करपाचे म्हणजे आमीच बरे अशें म्हणपाचें ना आमी खंय चुकता थंय आमकांय दाखोवन दिवपाचें हें आमचे कडेन जाता.
The General Secretary of the New Market Association of Madgaon, Sunil Virdikar, claims that the Old Market Association has failed to perform.
पण आता जी मुखार संघटना जातली ताका टोटल सरावंडींग बाजार जो आसा मडगांव बाजार पेढी दवरली तितून तो सगळो प्रत्येक व्यापारी तितूर सहभाग आसता.
सध्या तुम्ही तांकां मेंबर सध्या जी पळय संघटना सध्या तुमची जाता की तुमचे तिचे कडेन कांय एप्लिकेशन
ना आसपा कित्याक ती संघटना आसा अशें मानीत ना. कित्याक जी खंयची संघटना ती रजिस्टर्ड जावप आसता तेच्या कडेन प्रत्येक वर्सा जनरल बॉडी मिटींग जावप रिन्युअल आसता तेगेले ऑडिट आसता. हे ज्यो प्रायमरी ज्यो फंक्शन्स आसा त्यो फंक्शन जायकूच ना आनी ते आसून नल एन वर्ड ताका कांय वालोर ना. थंय रजिस्टर आसा पूण लॉंग बॅक इट हॅज नॉट बीन रिन्यूड करना म्हणून ताका फक्त नेम सेक आसा ताका आनी कांय वालोर ना.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.